Now, if you have stone countertops in your kitchen and notice that they're staining, well, you need to reseal them, and you can do it yourself. I'm going to show you how to fix it in 15 minutes. Now, this is what you need. A clear rag. You need a good countertop cleaner. There's a lot of different brands out there. You need some caulking to do a little touch-up on areas where the countertop maybe has separated. And finally, you need a good granite sealer. So it starts with this. You're going to make sure you do that caulking around little areas and joints that you may have. Allow this to dry. So this may actually be overnight to allow that caulking to dry. But what you're just trying to do is get everything right and tight before you clean and seal. Take the cleaner, go ahead and spray it onto your countertop. Now this is what you're doing normally when you're taking care of your countertops, but you want to make sure that you get this top as clean as possible. So no residue, no little sticky spots, because when we apply the sealer, we don't want any of that to be sealed into the stone. Now remember, stone is porous, and so the idea is you're going to use a good quality stone sealer that you can find at the hardware store or maybe a tile store. Then you're going to start at one end and start spraying it on. You're not wiping this away. You're literally coating the surface of the countertop with the sealer. All the pores that are in the stone are going to start to absorb this sealer. Now, depending on the density of the stone, this might get absorbed within 30 minutes. With other stones, it could take up to 2 hours. But the whole idea is once you cover the entire surface, you leave it alone. You do not wipe this whatsoever. It's going to get absorbed into the stone. When you get to the other end, you may notice that on the edges, it's actually starting to be absorbed a little bit more quickly. Go ahead and give it another little shot so that you're protecting that stone really well. That's it. Once the sealer gets absorbed into the stone, it's good for about 18 months, keeping your countertops looking great. Look at that. You fixed it in 15 minutes.